Hello, this is Stavros Tousios for M4Markets, and today we're going to have another quick video analyzing what is really happening with the pound and also another currency pair, the dollar against the Canadian dollar. We have just had a triple top here at around 123, and we currently see a short-term pullback in the pound. The next level up, guys, is around 124, and if that swing low over here at around 124.28 or so gives in as well, in case we continue higher, we're gonna head up to around 126. There is this channel that we need to bring in because it is important to mention a couple of things here. First of all, channels really dictate the direction. You see that this is an upward channel. The median line in the middle, you can think of it something like, a standard deviation or something. So it's like the standard, the moving average, linear moving average in this particular case. And as long as we are above that, we remain bullish. Also, as long as we are above the previous swing high at 121.50, we are again bullish. Now, what we are noticing is that we have a mixed signal here, because the RSI shows hidden bearish divergence and the awesome oscillator shows that we have two peaks. That usually suggests that there is going to be a pullback. Perhaps we have a cluster around the support slash median line of this channel. We have a support there and we could continue higher from there. But the short term, as we can see it here as well, it's corrective, which means the direction is against the main trend, and the main trend currently is to the upside. So if we manage to stay above 126.61, and in the short term we could get there, okay, that could start moving higher once again. In case we lose that low, then the next level to pay attention to will be the 120.28, and from there down to around 180.97. But if we lose that one, 119 or so, then we are probably going to risk getting weak all the way down to the other side of the channel. So pay attention to that. Now I wanted also to revisit dollar CAD, the Loonie as we call it, because we are also seeing in the medium term that we are kind of have some sort of upside move over here, okay? But in the short to medium term, I would say, let's just make the distinction. You see that this is kind of falling, and this fall comes after a new test of a new area here outside the channel, okay? And then we went all the way back up and we received a retest, and the retest kind of came up to the top of this channel, and we continue lower down. Now, as you well know, okay, these are levels for us. One level is here, one level is up to the top, the other level is down here. And what we also have is an upward channel. It is important to mention that we are below this line, okay? And we are below also the median channel of this, sort of upward leg, which suggests, since we are also looking corrective here, that there is likelihood that we're going to go down to this channel, okay, and potentially receive rejection. There is two things that can happen here. We'll continue up and we're going to find a resistance at 135, and from there we see whether we can go higher indeed again towards 136 or not, or maybe we're going to go lower again back to the channel low, or the other case would be that we're going to get a very short-term bounce and then break lower with the first target around 133 and then the second target around 132.27. Now, usually when we see corrections of that fashion, we come and retest the 38%. However, I don't think this leg is done yet, because usually, guys, trends move in 5 waves. So I think we ought to see one more leg to the downside in the short term, and from there perhaps start to put him back a little bit higher, okay? And that it's a little bit supported by the indicators as well, because we do currently see a bullish hidden divergence.